Energy systems must be decarbonized, but electricity can only meet about half the world's energy demand. To fully move away from fossil fuels, we need clean fuels and efficient energy storage. Hydrogen is a versatile molecule. Along with its derivatives, it has the potential to cover up to 20% of the global energy demand by 2050. By converting electricity into e-fuels, Power-to-X will be a game changer in the race towards net zero, but only if it's energy efficient and cost effective. You achieve this by deploying the most efficient heat transfer equipment. And of course, with smart reuse of waste heat in the process. And that's where we come in. At Alfa Laval, we have decades of experience supplying highly efficient solutions in every step of Power-to-X. And on top of that, our equipment enables a clean hydrogen product without wasting fresh water, one of our most precious resources. Today we work side by side with our partners, bringing our expertise of heat recovery to the heart of the solution. This is how we make sure the optimal solution is deployed from the very start. We have the technology, the know-how, and the manufacturing capabilities to bend the cost curve of renewable hydrogen and clean fuels to scale up the production across the globe. Together, we can create a cleaner, more sustainable energy landscape for the future. Contact us today for a discussion.